Hi guys, welcome to the Virtual RV Show. We are so glad that you are here. We really hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough of this trailer, and if you enjoy what you see, make sure you watch until the end so you can see all the advantages of making a purchase with Campkin's RV. So check this out. This is the Grey Wolf 27RR. So Chloe's going to talk about the inside, but first I'm going to take you through a quick walk around the outside. All right, so as you can see, this is the garage area here. You've got your leash latch here for the dog or bikes or whatever you want to lock to the trailer. Then you've got a second door into the garage area, which we're going to look at in just a minute, but you do have door access to that. Also, you'll see as well, it has vents. So those vents come from the inside to the outside, so that if you do have toys that are motorized with gas and everything, it will get rid of that smell in the trailer. Black tank flush on it. It's got the electric awning with the blue LED lights. You've got outdoor speakers, you've got a spot to put a TV on the outside, and then it actually comes with an outdoor kitchen as well. So with that, you get an ice maker, you get a 2-burner grill, you also get the fridge, and it has a sink in it as well, which you can use the outdoor shower to wash your dishes and everything, and then bloop, all of a sudden everything's clean and ready to go. You can see here on the front of this trailer, it comes with little things that sometimes you may not notice, like these are to hold the chains, so that they're not dragging in the ground when you leave it in storage. It has a spot to hold the plug so that it's not sitting on the ground. It has this quick drop jack, and the way that it works is you fold it down, use the same attachment you would use for your drill to put the stabilizer jacks up and down, and it makes the trailer go up and down really, really quick. You've got dual propane bottles on here, and it does come with a Group 24 battery, a battery disconnect, a voltage detector, and a solar panel on the roof so that it's always charging the battery. Every single Cherokee product has that juice pack on it. It's got storage underneath, and it's just a great toy hauler. So let's go inside and have a look. So Chloe, what's going on here?
Well, as you can see, it is a couch,
right,
but it's not just a couch.
Really?
So 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So it's actually not just a couch, it's also a Murphy bed.
Yes.
So it's a full queen size bed,
yes,
and then a couch when you want it to be.
Nice, comfortable bed, actually.
Well, Jamie, we have a long day, so let's get going. We have
Fine.
a lot more trailer left to see.
Yeah.
Moving on, we have a U-shaped dinette. You can comfortably fit 6 adults at it.
Very nice. And you know what I like about it? Is that you can sit here, play cards, relax. There could be 2 other people here easily. There could be another 2 people here as well. There's a big tabletop, so you've got lots of room to play cards. Of course, we would win because these other people would be terrible.
Course.
And if you need to get something, all you have to do is go to the drawers, open them up, and you've got full extension drawers in there. So that's pretty cool. Now, behind us here is where the TV goes, and you've got your entertainment area. You've got some storage here as well, and you can put up to, I believe it's a 37-inch television there. Then across from that, you've got your fridge, which is your 12-volt fridge. It is 10.5 cubic feet. So it has basically the same size as a small fridge at home. And what's great is you can put all of everything in there. Plus you do have the fridge outside as well. It works off the battery. So when you're driving, your fridge works. You've got a glass top stove with 3 burners on it. You've got the oven here as well. Vented hood vent. Then you've got the microwave, seamless countertops, some drawers, lots of storage all around the kitchen area. You've got a stainless steel undermount sink, pull-out sprayer faucet, and you have the sanitization station there, which you can use for hand sanitizer, or after COVID is done, which we're hoping this year it will be, you can use that for dish soap. All right? Then we go right through to the washroom. So we'll start with the vanity. This is quite large. You get lots of storage space in there, and then a big medicine cabinet as well. And then over here, I'll just let you have a look at the toilet area and a nice big shower with a full shower surround as well. So lots of room in there. Skylight too. If you're a little taller, it gives you a little extra space. But now we're in the part that matters when we're talking about toy haulers. We are in the garage. So first of all, I just want to show you on the floor here, we've got tie downs right here. So these are tied right to the frame. So you've got lots of tie downs, so you can tie your toys down, make sure they're secure. So whether it's an ATV, motorcycle, whatever you want, you can tie it all down. So this bed thing here is quite versatile. So let me show you. So number one, it's a dinette, and it's a huge dinette. So if you can imagine, that's a screen wall. That'll go down and turn into screen, or you can put it down and it's completely covered. That gives you space in there to be able to turn this into kind of like a sunroom during the day. And then what's great is you can also turn this into a bedroom. So you take the table out and you've got either 2 twin beds, so 2 beds that size, so you got 2 bunks, or If you want, you can actually put the table flat, pull it across, and it turns into one king-size bed. And what's neat about it is the way the cushions go on this, I've lied on this when it's in the king bed format, and to be quite honest, it is actually a really comfortable bed, which is great. You've got shelves up here for your gear, and you've got lots of room in here. This is, I believe, about 11 feet. So you've got 11 feet for space. Easily 2 full-size Harleys can go on it, which is great. But then what's really cool is the back deck. So we're standing here on the back deck area. So this is the ramp that goes down, turns into the ramp so you can get your toys into the toy hauler, but it's also a back deck area. And what's great is this turns into a patio. What kind of stuff could you see yourself doing out here, Chloe?
I could see myself barbecuing out here, maybe coming out here to read a book, a couple drinks with friends.
Fancy drinks?
Oh, yeah, fancy drinks.
Like a margarita?
Of course.
Margarita's not toy hauler.
Oh.
Come on, that's not gritty enough. Anyway, so there's lots of different ways you can use this deck. Again, you can have a screen wall, and you can also put it up and turn it into a bunk room, so at night you actually have it closed just in case it rains or whatever. There's lighting out here. And what's great about toy haulers are they're incredibly versatile. So, although it's a toy hauler, if you don't have motorized toys, we've had a lot of people buy these, and all they want to do is put kayaks in it, or they want to put their bikes in it, or they just want to be able to easily load all their big stuff into the trailer so they can get to the campground quickly, get it out. So it works very well as a bunk model, and because it's under 6,000 pounds, it's light enough to tow with any half-ton. So folks, this is the 2021 Grey Wolf 27RR. RR stands for rear ramp. And it's available now at Campkin's. We want you to call us, 905-655-8613, or give us a text to book your spot in to make sure you have an appointment to come down and see this great brand new toy hauler so you can make your 2021 a lot more fun. That was pretty good, wasn't it?
Absolutely.
Okay, we'll see you soon. Thank you so much for joining us at the RV show. I just want to take a moment to talk about some of the advantages of purchasing from Campkin's RV. First of all, Campkin's RV has over 47 years experience in the RV industry, and we are a full-service RV dealership. As well, we're a part of the RV Care Network. This is a network of over 70 dealers across Canada that provide emergency service when you're on the road should you require that, and also some other great advantages to that as well. When you purchase a trailer from us, you do get a membership to the Explorer RV Club, and we include tire and rim insurance so that if you have a blowout on the road, you're taken care of. Also, with every trailer, you do get a security tracker, so you always know where your trailer is, and there's extra insurance should somebody steal your trailer, so you can replace it. There's a whole lot more as well available in a Campkin's purchase, but we want to make sure that your purchase experience and your experience after that is great when you work with Campkin's RV, because our whole goal is to help you make your RV dreams come true.